Appreciate your feedback, Kibbles. So a few things here I want to point out. You've got a lot of car makers stating that they're getting closer to 5, 4.8, 4.8, 4.5 miles per kilowatt hour. And I'm not suggesting that that's actually accurate. Another way to look at it, this is probably a more realistic range here. This is the amount of kilowatt hours it takes to get 1 mile. And taken, for example, let's take the Tesla Model 3 standard range, for example, 0.26 kilowatt hours per mile. So I'll do 3.6 kilowatt hours, which is the size of the battery of our Range Extender Pro, divided by 0.26, lands us at 13.8 miles. And we're not going to put 13.8 mile range expected from this kit. So that's why we've landed on 12 miles. We want to make it more realistic to really not disappoint folks that if they're going to get that. So yeah, we've actually got one that's even smaller. We've got a 2 kilowatt hour battery. It's going to be our Range Extender LITE. So more budget friendly. It's going to be a lot more portable. It's 40 pounds, half the weight of our Pro model. And kind of most importantly, our goal is not to let you, drive cross country without plugging it in. It's really to address the range anxiety for most folks, certainly with the Range Extender LITE kit. We don't feel like we're providing a solution to help you charge from the sun forever, indefinitely, with 500 watts of solar. Now, maybe for the Range Extender Pro, 2,000 watts of solar, if you don't drive a lot, that could be something. But again, RAC. RAC is an acronym for Range Anxiety Kit. That was the first idea of, naming the business about a couple years ago when I first thought of this idea. So again, we're just trying to ease that anxiety. Whether or not the anxiety is legitimate to have it in the first place is really kind of besides the point. But knowing you have the ability to go 7 miles, in this case, is what we're going to be advertising for the Range Extender LITE, to be able to get you 7 miles. It can be tucked away in the wheel well of your trunk, or it can be tucked in your frunk, to get somewhere safe, to get to somewhere where you could plug in for longer. That's what we're trying to do here.